you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It has been a little bit since I've come on here with a voiceover, but I felt like this video was a perfect one because these beautiful hands are my mommy's hands. I'm going to be doing a giveaway during this video, or at least explaining some of the giveaway rules and things like that. But before we get into that, I just want to talk a little bit. I'm getting ready to graduate from cosmetology school, you guys. I graduate on April 20th, and I'm so excited. I cannot wait to finally start my career in cosmetology and nails and things like that. So yeah, I am super duper excited. So my mom came out to visit us, of course, to see the babies, but mainly it was because my husband and I, throughout COVID and just having a new baby, and we don't really have like a whole bunch of family members and stuff that live around us, so trying to get out and do things just as a couple just was not happening. So I called mommy in for the rescue, and so she came out and visited with the grandbabies, and then my husband and I got to spend a beautiful weekend away at a casino resort that we have close, and it was just an awesome experience, and we definitely enjoyed it. So yeah, my mommy loves short nails, and so we're gonna stay very short with these nails. And she doesn't get acrylic on her nails, she just does gel polish. I did attempt to soak these nails off like 3 times before we just decided let's just drill as much as we can. Whatever gel polish her people are using back home is definitely like indestructible gel polish, because it would not soak off. I don't know if any of you guys know. I know like some builder gels and stuff like that do that, but if y'all know of any like gel polish brand or why it wouldn't soak off, we thought maybe because I didn't file enough off of her nails, but these are her natural nails, so I was really trying to be as gentle and as careful as possible because I don't want to damage them, and because I don't normally, I usually put acrylic or something over nails. So yeah, anyways, I'm using this bit from Pana. I have it saved in my Amazon storefront. I have found it is a very good bit, especially for removing gel polish. I have actually been removing acrylic with it as well, so I'm probably going to need to get me a new one because I have had this one for a while. I just didn't really use it very often, so we'll just see. And yeah, but I have that in my Amazon storefront if you're interested. I do know with the Pana bits, I have learned that I do have to up my speed on my e-file just a little bit more than I would normally. And my other bits that I normally use are Kiara Sky bits, so I don't know if that'll help you guys if you have Pana or whatever. But yeah, so I do have to up it up just a little bit, up to speed, just to kind of get things going. But I'm going to go ahead and remove this gel polish, and I'll pop back in a few. All right, you guys, moving on. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish removing the rest of this gel polish, as well as start prepping her nails with this sanding band from Profiles Backstage. I will leave this linked in the description box, as well as my coupon code. I'm not sure, honestly, you guys, if my coupon code works anymore. I used to be in communication with the owners from Profiles Backstage via like text messaging. So if I did get, you know, a comment or something that my code wasn't working, I would just text them, they would fix it, and it would work. Well, I don't think that they have the same number. I'm not really sure. I do have some friends too that have coupon codes. I always use V's code, which is VROCKS. So if you can't use my code, if it doesn't work, I'm sorry about that. I'm really not going to reach out to them anymore to, you know, keep my code and things like that. So, but if I do have a code, I will leave it for you, whether it's mine or somebody else's that I will use whenever I purchase things from their website. So yeah, just want to throw that out there. If you have seen me in my previous videos, I do try to leave every single code that I have so I can help y'all save some coins whenever you are buying nail products. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this sanding band and start prepping her natural nail for the giveaway, the upcoming giveaway. So I'm kind of torn because I do have like a box of stuff ready to go, but I just wanted to ask you guys, my subscribers, because this does apply to the subscribers. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any future uploads. But I wanted to ask you guys if you want the box of nail stuff. So I have some used stuff, I have some new stuff that I've either like swatched or I just bought and never used. Or I can do like two $50 winners, and it could be like Cash App or an Amazon gift card, Profiles Backstage gift card, you know, a nail product gift card, or I can do one $100 Cash App gift card, whatever winner. So go ahead, and if you're interested in winning this giveaway, go ahead and leave me a comment down below which you would prefer, the box of products or two $50 winners or one $100 winner. Go ahead and let me know, and I will announce that winner in my next video. I have been trying to be very consistent and posting on Tuesdays because that is just what I can commit to right now. I will say also, good news, we got our baby in daycare, or I should say early preschool. So I will have a lot more time to focus and do, you know, really good YouTube videos for you guys. I may be able to start recording, you know, of my face because I don't have my little monster toddler screaming in the backyard. But yeah, so go ahead and let me know, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch this process, and I'll pop back in a little bit.
On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter
All right, you guys, we are done with the prep process. I am now just taking some swipe and a lint-free wipe and cleansing her nails of any dust and things like that. I'm now going in with a new dehydrator that I picked up from my local beauty supply store, and it's from OPI, and it's just their dehydrator. And then I'm going to go in, I believe, with Young Nails primer, and then I will do a base coat, and then we're going to go ahead and apply her nail polish. So I'm just going to let you guys go ahead and watch this process. I do hope that you enjoy this video and enjoy the updates and things like that. I'm super excited to graduate and just start my new chapter in life. Don't forget about the giveaway, and please don't forget to leave your comment down below. You do need to be subscribed, like this video, and leave that comment to be entered, and I will be announcing that winner during my next video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you guys in my next one.
let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one